If you want to earn at least $20 to $50 a day just by working from your laptop or cell phone, this video is for you. I recommend that you earn this kind of extra money because this little step can help you expand your business over time. I was doing this kind of side hustle jobs when I was just starting out. Over time, as I gained experience, I expanded my marketing business. Last year alone, I earned over $30,000 in affiliate marketing and freelance work. Being said that, let's get started.
First, you visit this website. Sign up with your real name, email address, and country. In the nickname box, enter your username. Please note that you don't use any VPN. One account per person is allowed. You cannot have more than one account. You can select either of these profile types, freelancer or buyer. You can change it when you open your account, so it does not matter. As you can see, there are thousands of tasks to complete. Fun stuff. People will reward you for liking your Instagram post. They will reward you when you like their YouTube video, and so on and so forth. The task rewards range from a few cents to a few dollars, so you don't become rich by just doing this task. But it can be a good side hustle if you do it correctly. Let's say when you earn $150, you can invest it in blogging. There are also surveys. These surveys may take a few minutes. The rewards are less than $1. From the top side, you can change from freelancer to buyer. As a buyer, you hire people for your tasks, so you will reward them with a few dollars. This is fun stuff, you know. They also have a referral program, and you earn 5% of referral earnings. Please make sure to use your correct personal details, because in the KYC process, you shouldn't face any trouble. Once you earn a couple bucks, they will ask you to do your KYC. That's it.